I can taste the fear in your breath.
This is a child abduction emergency. This message was transmitted at the request of the San Diego Police Department. There has been a child abduction at the park. The young boy is Michael Anderson. He was wearing an SML shirt, black shoes, blue shorts, wearing a black hat, has green eyes, and brown hair. He was believed to be taken by a random person in a suit. If you see the person or the child, please call the police immediately. Stay tuned for more information about this child abduction emergency.
Good morning, citizens of San Diego. The child abduction is still unactivated and the child has not been found. There has been many reports of people saying they have seen a random jump scare on their TV saying, "You will not be spared, you will not be saved." It sounds like a scary text. If you see any of this, please turn off your TV in the next 3 seconds or else you might get jump scared. This is Peter signing off.
No. That never happened. Put it back! I'm gonna start!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Diego Police Department. The animatronic has been confirmed to be Springtrap, an abandoned animatronic from Five Nights at Freddy's 3. It have kidnapped 30 kids, and kill over 50 people, and bombed buildings in San Diego. Get food, water, clothes, and towels for your evacuation. Do not go near it. Stay tuned in for more information about this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Diego Police Department. The heroes come to stop Springtrap. The hero arc are short on YouTube with hip perform. Jar the Sky, and Minal Lamanna's Calico Cat is 1 foot 8 feet inches tall and 18 pounds. They have the ultimate power to stop Springtrap. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous situation.
Welcome back to breaking news. The heroes have stopped Springtrap and Springtrap has been defeated. So the heroes decided to drop him off somewhere so he cannot attack again. And the heroes are watching this. Thank you so much for saving us, including the children. This is our breaking news signing off.